Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we will be discussing about how to add Qatar Airways ticket to Apple Wallet. Are you having trouble adding your Qatar Airways ticket to Apple Wallet? As you all know, there is no option to add any external card other than debit, credit or transit card, drivers or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and search for Qatar Airways. Install the app. After installing, open the app. Click on My Trips. You can log in to receive your details about the most recent flight ticket, or you can add it manually by clicking on the Add button on the top right corner. Fill out the booking reference or your e-ticket number. Click on Add Trip, and your trip will be successfully added, and you can see your ticket in this app. There will be an option which says Add to Apple Wallet. Click on it and your wallet will be successfully filled with this pass.